How to fix YouTube error 400. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your Play Store, then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar. Now type YouTube, then click on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on YouTube and click on update if it's available. Now after updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on a device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Then go to app management. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on YouTube. Click on force stop. Now go to storage uses. Now tap on clear data and tap on delete. Now restart YouTube. I hope this should fix the issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.